Welcome to Neural Pulse Lab. This channel explores how artificial intelligence actually works, not through hype, but through patterns, systems, and subtle shifts that shape how we create and work. Today's video is about something surprisingly practical: how to teach an AI your style. Not by coding, not by training a model from scratch, but by using prompts carefully, deliberately, and with intent. Most people think prompt engineering is about finding the perfect sentence. In reality, it's about context. AI systems don't remember you the way humans do. They don't develop taste over time, but they do respond consistently to structure, examples, and constraints. When people say, "This AI doesn't sound like me," what they're really saying is they haven't shown it how to think yet. What's actually changing? Modern AI systems no longer just respond to short instructions. They respond to roles, patterns, and implicit rules embedded in your prompts. The shift isn't dramatic, but it's important. Instead of telling an AI what to write, you can guide it on how to behave. That's the difference between generic output and output that feels intentional. Your style isn't just tone, it's a system. It includes sentence length, rhythm, structure, how often you explain versus imply, what you leave unsaid. AI can't guess these things, but it can mirror them if you give it the right signals. Technique 1. Use role plus perspective, not just tasks. Most prompts start like this: write a YouTube script about AI. That tells the system almost nothing. Instead, define who the AI is pretending to be. For example, act as a calm technology analyst explaining systems, not products. Now you've set a boundary. The AI isn't trying to entertain, it's trying to observe. This single shift often improves output immediately. Technique 2. Show, don't describe your style. One of the most reliable tricks is also the simplest. Give examples. Not explanations, examples. Instead of saying, "Write in a thoughtful tone," you can say, "Here is a paragraph written in my style. Continue from here." AI systems are extremely good at pattern continuation. They notice rhythm before meaning. This is why even a short sample can dramatically change results. Technique 3. Define what to avoid. Style is as much about exclusion as it is about inclusion. If you don't want hype, say so. If you don't want buzzwords, name them. For example, avoid exaggerated claims, marketing language, and dramatic predictions. This creates guardrails. Without them, the system defaults to patterns it sees most often online. Technique 4. Control structure before content. Another overlooked trick: tell the AI how to organize its thinking. Instead of asking for an answer, ask for a structure first. For example, break this explanation into a calm introduction, a system-level explanation, practical examples, and a reflective conclusion. Now the AI isn't guessing your intent, it's following a map. Technique 5. Iteration is the real skill. Here's the part most tutorials skip. Prompt engineering isn't one prompt, it's a conversation. You refine, you adjust, you clarify. Each follow-up prompt teaches the system more about what you value. This is why experienced users get better results, not because the AI changed, but because their instructions became clearer. Why this matters for creators and professionals. When AI reflects your style, it stops feeling like a replacement. It becomes a collaborator. For creators, this means faster drafts, consistent tone, less rewriting. For professionals, it means clearer communication, repeatable outputs, fewer misunderstandings. The real benefit isn't speed, it's alignment. Common misconceptions. One misconception is that you need complex prompts. You don't. Another is that AI will learn you automatically. It won't. Each session resets unless context is provided again. The system doesn't remember you. It remembers the rules you give it. What this quietly confirms about AI. This confirms something subtle but important. AI systems aren't creative in isolation. They're reflective. They amplify structure, clarity, and intention.
When outputs feel generic, it's usually because the inputs were. Teaching an AI your style isn't about control, it's about communication. The clearer you are about how you think, the better the system mirrors that thinking. This isn't magic, it's systems responding to patterns, quietly, consistently, and predictably. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more updates, and see you in the next episode.